Hi guys, welcome back to Antonella Gallery. This is me Sandra and this is my sister Snigdha. Today we are traveling to Mumbai with our family. My mom and dad are also with us. It's 5 in the morning and we're already on the road. Honestly, this feels unreal. I mean, we never thought we'd be able to experience the Go tour or attend it in person. So we're going to attend the Go tour. Messi coming to India itself felt unbelievable, and now we are actually traveling to see him live. We're going to take you along with us on this entire journey and share every single moment from our Mumbai trip and the Go Tour event. And this is also our first time in Mumbai, and that too to see Leo for the first time. So we're really excited. And now we are heading to the airport. So we're almost reaching there. Yeah, so finally we've reached the airport. Let's head inside the airport. So we've reached the airport now and we are heading inside. We're doing all the check-in procedures. My parents are handling the check-ins. My sister is also with them, and I'm here taking videos of everything. Given our bags at the counter and all the check-in formalities are done, and finally we've got our boarding passes. Finally, we're inside the plane. Me and my sister and my mom got 3 seats together, and my dad is sitting a few rows behind actually. So my sister is in the window seat, sitting near the window seat. She told that she wanted the
Please
window
place your
seat,
hand luggage in the overhead
and
bin
so she
located
took
right
that.
above your seat or under the seat in front of you. If you are seated near the emergency exit row, please place your hand luggage in the overhead bins only. Thank you.
So while I was
विमान में
recording
ईंधन
few
डालने की प्रक्रिया
clips,
जारी है
one of
कृपया
the
अपनी कुर्सी
cabin
पर
crew
ही
asked me
बैठे
to
रहें
switch
कुर्सी
off
की
my
पेटी ना
phone,
बांधें और
so I
विंडो सीट
turned it
खुले
off.
रखें धूम्रपान और
And I'll
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक
see you
उपकरणों का
once we
प्रयोग
reach
करते
in
समय
Mumbai.
धन्यवाद May we have attention please? Refueling of the aircraft is in progress. Please remain seated. Keep it.
And yes, finally we've reached Mumbai. We've reached Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport in Mumbai. I don't remember the exact flight duration, but we landed around 11 in the morning. So after coming out, we started looking for a taxi. We decided to book an Uber and got into the cab. So this is actually my first proper look at Mumbai. We're just enjoying the drive and sightseeing from the cab. Right now, we're heading to the Taj Hotel. Today, our plan is just to hang around in Mumbai and explore the city a bit. And tomorrow is the Go tour, actually. Tomorrow is the 14th and today is the 13th. So we decided to keep today relaxed and just see Mumbai. The first place we decided to visit today is the Taj Hotel. So we've reached the Taj Hotel. As you can see, there's very tight security here. And we are trying to enter the hotel. We're waiting to get inside. And finally, we were able to enter. Unfortunately, we were not allowed to take videos inside, so I couldn't record anything from inside the hotel. I only managed to take a few pictures, so I'll be sharing those pictures here. But honestly, being inside the Taj Hotel was amazing experience. I mean, we've always seen the Taj Hotel in the news or heard about it, but experiencing it in real life is completely different. So beautiful. The hotel is so beautiful. I mean, honestly felt like stepping into a different world. There are so many areas inside, so much history, so many beautiful details. Actually felt like a museum. You can keep walking, and there's always something new to see. Even though I couldn't take videos, I'm really happy we got to experience the Taj Hotel from inside. So after the Taj Hotel, we decided to go somewhere else. We thought of going near the beach just to relax a bit. So we decided to go to Marine Drive, and then we reached Marine Drive and spent some time there just hanging around. We took some pictures, and then my sister asked me to record some videos of her. So I was doing that and clicking pictures for her. And after that, we were heading back towards our hotel. And on our way, our driver told us that Mukesh Ambani's house was nearby. So we decided to pass by and see it. This was actually the first time I was seeing Mukesh Ambani's house in real life. We've all seen it in photos and videos, but seeing it live was completely different. After that, we headed back to our room and rested for the night. Finally, it's go to day. I'm super excited. Honestly, I think I woke up early just because I was constantly checking my phone for updates, especially to see whether Messi has landed in Mumbai or not. I kept checking the updates again and again because I was really excited to know if he was already here. So this is actually our second day in Mumbai. We actually got a taxi driver today who told us that he'll be taking us around to different places in Mumbai and helping us explore the city. We decided to travel in the same taxi throughout the day. He was very nice and explained everything while driving. Such a good driver. We honestly had a good time listening to him and seeing the city. And now we're heading to Taj Hotel because we got an update that Messi, Deepol, and Suarez have landed in Mumbai and that they're staying in the Taj Hotel. So while traveling, we could see people wearing Messi jerseys everywhere: Argentina jerseys, Barcelona jerseys, Inter Miami jerseys. Literally every second person we saw was wearing one of these jerseys. As we got closer to Wankhede Stadium, it felt like the entire city was heading in the same direction. It was such a beautiful experience. I mean, we've never experienced anything like this before, so everything felt new and exciting. So, on our way to the Taj Hotel, we passed by Shah Rukh Khan's house. We decided to stop there for a while and take a few pictures. And Salman Khan's house was also nearby, but we weren't allowed to take pictures from there because the security asked us not to. And in front of Shah Rukh's house, there was security as well, but they weren't stopping people from taking pictures. There was a huge crowd there, so many people taking photos and videos. So we also got down from the car and took a few pictures. We couldn't really see Shah Rukh's house because properly because it was mostly covered, but still it felt nice to be there. After that, we continued our journey and headed back towards the Taj Hotel. And on the way, there was very huge traffic because it was go-to day. So many people were rushing towards the stadium. Almost everyone we saw was wearing Messi jerseys, chanting his name and walking in the same direction. So the entire city celebrating the go-to. So right now we are outside the Taj Hotel. I mean, we tried to enter the hotel before, but today the security is extremely tight because Leo's already inside. So it's very hard to get inside. I mean, the tech security is very tight, and they'll not allow you to enter. I mean, yesterday it was comparatively easier to enter, but today they are not allowing anyone inside without proper passes. We even told them that we are attending a go-to, but they said without a pass, entry is not allowed. So unfortunately, this time we couldn't enter the hotel. So we decided to stay outside the Taj Hotel for some time. Our hope was that maybe when Leo leaves the hotel, we might get to see him from outside while he's getting onto the car. So we stayed there for a few hours just waiting. And after that, we were all really hungry because standing there for so many hours, we were all really hungry. So we started looking for a place nearby to eat. While walking, we found a cafe near the Taj Hotel and decided to go inside. We ordered iced tea and cappuccino. We ended up staying there for quite some time because whatever we ordered took a really long time to arrive and it took so much time to get served. So we just stayed back in the cafe for a while. But it was actually nice. We had a good time there. We were sitting, talking, and constantly checking on phone for updates. We also had a few small snacks at the cafe along with the drinks. Hi, Achu. And after that, we finally decided to leave for Wankhede Stadium. By the time we left, it was already 5 p.m. So we were almost late. There was huge traffic. And finally, we reached Wankhede Stadium. Oh my god, this was my first time ever inside a stadium. I've never been to any stadium before and I've never experienced a live stadium atmosphere. So everyone was waiting for the main moment, but before that, we saw some special appearances. We saw Tiger Shroff arrive, and then we saw Sachin Tendulkar appear on the big screen. This was actually the first time I was seeing Sachin live. He was my favorite cricketer, and after he retired, I kind of stopped watching cricket. So seeing him live made me really emotional and happy. When Sachin came on the screen, the entire stadium went crazy. I mean, everyone started chanting his name, Sachin, Sachin. And then finally, Leo Messi arrived. And we can see Messi on the big screen. The moment he appeared on the screen, the entire stadium erupted. Everyone stood up immediately. I mean, people were shouting, clapping, chanting Leo, Leo. The noise was unbelievable. It all happened so suddenly, and I still can't describe how I felt at that moment. My biggest dream was always to watch Messi play in the Argentina jersey one day, and I never imagined I'd even get to see him in real life. I never expected this moment at all, and suddenly he was right there in front of us. It was the first time in my life I was seeing Messi live. Still feels like a dream. Messi started walking around the ground, greeting the fans and waving at everyone. And then he started kicking the balls into the stands for the fans. He came really close to where we were sitting, right in front of us. He kicked the ball. I mean, we tried to catch it, but we couldn't. It went too high, but honestly, that didn't matter at all. Just seeing him kick the ball live right in front of my eyes was more than enough. And this is the first time that I'm seeing Leo kicking the ball. How beautiful it is. And we also saw Deep Paul and Suarez, and the crowd was chanting their names as well. And after that, Leo spent a few more minutes at the stadium playing football with the young players. So he was playing right in front of us, and we were so close to him. We could see him very clearly up close, and we were shouting and screaming his name. Suarez and Deepol also joined him, and it was really nice to watch all three of them playing together. And after that, Leo, along with Suarez and Deepol, greeted some of the players. Messi played football for a few minutes there, just a friendly game with some young players. So watching him play so casually felt so special. And after some time, Messi started leaving the stadium. Once he left, we also decided to leave. We honestly didn't want to go. We stayed back for some time, took pictures, and just looked around.
अबे नीचे दे देगा यार हमें
then we can see Sachin and Leo together on the big screen. I mean, at that moment, the crowd erupted. Everyone went crazy seeing the two goats in one frame. Sachin was handing his Tendulkar jersey to Leo, and both of them posed for a picture. It was such an iconic moment, the GOAT of cricket and the GOAT of football in one frame. We still can't believe we witnessed this live. And after that, we started leaving the stadium. While we were walking down the stairs, everyone was still chanting Messi's name. Even though the GOAT tour had ended, people were still celebrating, and that really showed our love for Leo. We were chanting Leo's name along with everyone else while leaving. So we were really happy to be part of it. We've only seen moments like this on our phones before, but to experience it in person and be part of it was a really nice experience. So that's it. So the Mumbai Go Tour was a truly magical experience and such a beautiful moment for us. We'll never forget it, and we'll carry these memories with us forever. Mumbai gave us so many beautiful memories, and thank you so much, Mumbai, and thank you, Leo. So yeah, that's it. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope you guys enjoy the Go Tour as well. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. And I'll be adding some of the pictures that we took from Mumbai. So I'll be adding that in the last slide. Okay. Thank you. Bye.